Hi guys, I am going to show you how to replace a winter jacket zipper. First you have to remove the zipper and then place it with the common pin. That's how I am doing it, so it's easy to stitch. And then after that remove the common pin one by one and stitch it slowly, and you can see at the end how I am doing. And then I am doing the other side and same process, and then I am stitching the other side. You can see that how I am stitching slowly. This winter jacket is different, and you can see that how I am doing it slowly, and it's very different from the other winter jacket. It has two sides, in both sides needs to be attached with the zipper, and you can see it has also two zippers. One is inside zipper and the other one is outside zipper, and this outside zipper is not working properly, so it needs to be removed. So I removed it and I replaced the outside zipper. You can see how I am doing the stitching at the end. Now I am attaching the other side. First I attach it with the common pin. You can see that this is the cover of the zipper, and first I attached the cover of the zipper because before I removed it, because the zipper is attached with both part, and I removed it, so it was unstitched, so I had to re-stitch it again. You can see now how I am attaching with the common pin, so it will look like equal from top to bottom. First always start your zipper to stitch from the bottom side, because then this zipper is unzipperable, so you can see that extra zipper is on the top, so it's easy if you start from the bottom, so you can cut it from the top extra zipper. I am stitching it now and I am double stitching it. You can see that how I am stitching, and I am cutting extra thread. Slowly I am doing it. Extra hard, so it needs to make it equal up to here, and I need to remove. You can see that thread is coming out from the zipper when I cut it, so I will show you how you can fix this. You can use the lighter and then just place the little bit heat, and from both sides it will look like this now. You can see this side and the other side, so I will show you how you can fix the other side. Be careful with the fabric, don't touch the fire to the fabric, it can burn. You can see the both sides.